你们是怎么做交易的？因为我每次在 YouTube 啊看到你们在做交易的时候呢，我看到那个图表很多线啊，很多那些什么所谓的蜡烛啊，跑上跑下啊，这样我看得有一点乱了，所以我不知道说应该要怎么去看它，那么我才会做得好。而且我在这个外汇市场里面已经看了蛮长的一段时间，不过呢，就是一直没有办法参透它里面的那个内容，它的精髓，所以我一直在想说，想要试试看，你知道吗？但是呢，我又在看的时候呢，我又用了这个模拟账户去做，就 OK。可是呢，我用实盘去做的时候又不 OK 哦。其实我真的不知道应该怎么做好。希望老师呢，你今天能为我解答一下好不好？这些都是我们这些小白的一个很大的问题呀。OK， OK， 好，你今天所问的这个问题OK， 我们这么说吧。其实一般呢，你在看那个图表的时候呢，还没进入学习去看的时候，当然什么都不会，对不对？老实说，就很像当年我学开车的时候手挡轮盘我真的是不懂得怎么去配合起来，你知道吗？那个左脚右脚你知道吗 ？OK， 在外汇学习的过程里面呢，我们这些课程就是会有教你怎么去看。那么呢，你去看这些图表，怎么去把它分出来 ？OK， 我们把整个课程呢都分了很多个阶段，就是把每一个阶段呢简单化的去理解。这样的话呢，你做起来的时候，其实你真的是容易很多。因为我们这样看的话呢，其实在这个市场里面呢，很多人都是会交易的策略，可是呢，很多时候呢，他们都不知道说什么时候应该用，在什么阶段要用哪一个策略。所以呢，在外汇交易里面呢，我的课程呢里面呢，就是这样的去帮你们小白们呢，从最基本点数计算看图表那么去理解整个外汇市场的交易的策略。那么它的策略，对，策略是策略，那么基本是基本对不对？那么呢，基础我们一定要会，那么呢，策略我们也要会。懂得策略不代表说你就会交易，可是你一定要懂得怎么运用那个策略。所以在什么阶段运用那个策略，也是一个很重要的一点。所以在这样一个方式里面呢，我们这一看的话就知道说，我们在做这样的一个交易的方式来说，我们就懂得说它是怎么样去运作。策略我懂了，不过呢，在什么时候用也是一个很重要的一点。所以呢，就是在这个课程里面呢，我们就会教你怎么去运用这个策略。好了，那么我有一个汇通汇聊的一个群，好吧？那个汇通汇聊的群里面呢，大家都可以加入，因为这个加入进来的话呢，我就可以教你们怎么去看那个策略，同时那么知道说在什么时候要用那个策略，那么的话呢，你交易起来的时候就会很容易。当然我会把你当成一个幼稚园的小白，好不好？那么呢，就以很基础的方式呢去教你们，以最简单的方式让你们去理解。好，那么这样的话，你们交易起来的时候就比较容易了。所以现在的话呢，其实可以加入这个群 ，OK？ 那么呢，我呢在这个群里面的话呢，是在里面教你们怎么去带着你们怎么去看着你们怎么去把这个外汇交易做好来这样的话就比较容易，对不对 ？OK 所以呢要加入这个群的话呢，这非常简单的 ，OK， 就只需要联系我们的负责人，那么呢，我们的负责人就会帮你处理所有的这个入群的这些 procedure，OK， 好不好 ？OK， 那么在外汇交易里面呢，心态也是一个很重要的东西。那么呢，在我们的这个社区里面我们也是会有很多的这个分享给大家，让大家呢都有这个机会去在这个学习的过程里面也懂得什么是心态，好不好 ？OK 这样就是很简单的这样的去理解所以加入这个群然后呢，在这群里面我们来教你 ，OK， 好不好？好的，老师，谢谢你，老师，非常感谢你的分享这样的话，我要赶紧去报名我要去赶紧报名加入这个群里面， 你刚才说的群是汇通汇聊群吧 ？OK， 那么我就赶紧去这个注册一下，好不好？谢谢老师，谢谢你老师，非常感谢你老师。Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back here. Right, so today is 2022, 23rd of December. Yes, 2 more days and we will be coming into our Christmas. Right, okay, so let's have a fantastic Christmas over here. Alright, so over at this point here, yeah, we are going to look out for something. Right, this week quite a good week, right? So I guess it's going to be a very good Christmas gift there. Okay, right, so yeah, and today is Friday, right? Is today the Friday? Yeah, today is Friday. It's our PP day, another profit preservation day, right? So yeah, so just be careful, all right? And Christmas is coming around the corner, so I wish all of you a Merry Christmas. Right, so we'll be coming back on the 27th of December. So 26th is a Boxing Day, and we won't be having live streaming. So just to let everybody know, all right. So yes, once again coming in here, right. So we are going to take note about what are we going to do here. Okay, so let's see what's the planning here. Right, so let's have the MT4. First of all, over here, AUDJPY. Okay, AUDJPY. Well, AUDJPY over here, we are looking into a bull still running, and right now it's on the support. Looks like the support over here is still running there. Okay, so later on, go for the buy. I think it's still very good. All right, so let's move on to Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc today we are on the support here. All right, so tentatively we are still moving on. Okay, so that's still very good on the buying side. So tentatively the pole bear is running, but this over here, all right, over at this point here, this part here is actually coming into retracement in the bear. All right. So yeah, so tentatively some retracements up there for Aussie franc. Yep, okay. Yes, so over here. Hi, Gmail user. Yes, okay. The goal I will be coming later on. Alright, let me go through. Okay. Yes, hi MK, nice to see you here. Well, congratulations if you captured 100 pips yesterday from the scouting goal. Okay, good. You have very good judgment there. Okay. So for Aussie yen, alright, so yeah, tentatively still looking for a bear. Right now we are into the bear. So I guess the bear is actually still running very well. Well, okay. In that case, okay, so for the bear over here, we are looking at some selling, but then again is that let's see. Alright, let's see if we can reach the resistance level here first. Okay, we are looking at this level. So this resistance level over here, something that I'm looking out for before we can start the selling. So Aussie yen, we are in the bear. So it's good to wait for the resistance to come. Alright, so let's see Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Well, Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. So Aussie Kiwi, we are actually still in the bear. After yesterday, the retracement up there, okay, for the past few days, we are now reaching out for a resistance. So for Aussie Kiwi, tentatively at this level, I'm still looking that this level has formed up with a resistance. So coming into that, we are forming down another round. Okay, so looking into this area here, support, okay, is looking at this level. Okay, so we are looking into this level of support here. So Aussie Kiwi looking good. Okay, so tentatively, I'm still clearing this area about 60 feet away. So Aussie Kiwi, we can pay attention to that, right? Okay, so yeah. Hi Gmail user. Yeah, I love you, bro. Thank you so much. Me too. Alright, so yeah, thank you for your support. Alright, so for Aussie dollar, we are actually climbing up to the bull. Alright, so now it's a transition into the bear. So actually, by looking into this
level here. All right, so the resistance, as we can see, okay, let me put this away, and sorry, the resistance up here, and coming in here for another round of resistance that may form a head and shoulder. Okay, so over at this point here, right? So tentatively, by looking at the area here, the support is here. All right, so tentatively, all right, for this area here, all right, we will need to pay attention to this level here. Okay, so we may have a target of 30 over pips to go for Aussie dollar to look out for support. Okay, so we can take note of this selling. Okay, but we just need to be careful because we are in the transition from the from the bull to the bear. Okay, so Aussie dollar, yes, we can take a look. For market slowing down for holidays, I think this year we don't really have it. Okay, so we can as normal. Okay, yeah. Right, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, we are still in the bull. Well, as you can see, the timing. And now over here, right now at this point here, we are actually coming in and trying to test onto the resistance up there. So Euro Aussie, I would suggest that we skip this first. Okay. Well, Euro CAD. Let's take a look at Euro CAD. Euro CAD, we are also in the bull, and it's also very near to the resistance. So I would suggest that for now, okay, this one have been not really a good one. Okay, so we're just going to skip this. Okay, Euro Yen. Let's take a look at Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen. Okay, over here, Euro Yen. I'm still looking out for some selling. All right, so for Euro Yen, yesterday was a quite good one. Okay, as we can see, for the past few days, it dropped so much, and actually now it's coming back into the bear. So generally, it is still in the bull, but it's transiting into the bear right now, which I think let's see here. Over at this point here, okay, we are still looking for the support. So for Euro Yen, we are now testing onto the resistance. Okay, let's see if we can continue. Okay, continue to break the resistance or to bring it down. If there's a chance to bring it down, then I think there's a good chance that we can go for a selling. Which now we are on the resistance, high chance that we are actually coming for a selling. So I'm going to put Euro Yen into my watch list. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi over here. Euro Kiwi, yeah, we are in the bear, but some retracement up here, and looks like it's changing the trend into the bull. Okay, so tentatively it's testing into the level here of the resistance, and now it seems like it's coming back to sell. So for now, okay, I'm actually looking out the selling is still on the way, right? Then we can look out for this top level here. All right, so Euro Kiwi looks good, and we can still continue for selling. Okay, yep. Okay, so for that, all right, and Euro Dollar, right? Euro Dollar, yes, Euro Dollar over here. Okay, Euro Dollar, as we can see, Euro Dollar is actually still continue the buying, so it's still in the bull, running through to look out for resistance if we want to sell, and we can see the consolidation is actually here. So at the moment, okay, I would suggest that actually for now, right, we are still looking for resistance, so buying is still possible. So I will stay away from the Euro Dollar. Okay, yes. How many years have you been trading? Wow, that's donkey years ago. Okay. Yep. All right. So over here, and Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie over here. Well, Pound Aussie at this point here, we are actually still looking for a bull, and the bull seems like it's going to steam off very soon. Looks like, but we do not know whether it's support, which I see that the support has been tested once. Okay, over here, right, you can see tested. So looks like now is still not a good time for selling yet. Okay, so I would still prefer to stay away from the Pound Aussie, but there may be a chance of slipping off to take the support before it actually continues buying. Alright, so currently, alright, so I still see that there's a resistance up there, okay, waiting to be taken out. Okay, so buying is still possible until this area here before it starts selling down. So for Pound Aussie, you can look out for buying first. Then after that, there may be a chance for selling. Right. So tentatively, I'm going to leave it aside first. All right. PoundCAD, PoundCAD over here. Well, PoundCAD, we are looking into the area here that is still cool. And retracing downwards over here, that is actually still very, very good over here to take selling. All right. So today, for PoundCAD, looking out for selling. However, we need to break the support level. Have been waiting for this to break the support for a few days. Right. So let's wait to break the support, retest, and we have a good chance going down, and it's going to be a very smooth journey. Okay. So PoundCAD, we can put this into our watch list. As PoundCAD is actually right now is quite good. Okay, we can take a look because of the screen traffic there, right? So Pound franc, let's take a look at Pound franc. Pound franc, we are turning down as a bear. So I guess Pound franc very good. Okay, but we need to break the support level here, right? So Pound franc, we are looking into selling. Okay, we are right now we are on the resistance over at this area here. So Pound franc, yes, I'm going to look out for selling today. Okay. Right, then Pound franc, okay. Pound franc, alright. So Pound franc over here. Yeah, Pound yen. Let's take a look at Pound yen. Okay, Pound yen over here. Pound yen, as we can see for Pound yen, we are also going as a whole general trend. We are still in the bull, right? But today it looks like the bull has actually turning down into of the bear. So same thing, we are still on the support. So I'm waiting for it to break the support before I can take action. So for Pound yen, let's wait for the breaking of the support. Then I will take action in selling. Alright, so that will be fair. Well, so that's for Pound yen. Okay, so how about Pound kiwi? Pound kiwi over here, I would suggest that Pound kiwi is the bear, but we're having a ranging here. So we have a range here, from here, from here, this area here to this area here, as you can see. But it's a very big range, correct? And the range is actually going downwards as look from the trend line. Okay, so very nice. Okay, so we can actually here, and support has no change. So currently, okay, let's see if that this area here, am I going to continue the selling? Highly possible, because we have actually expected now from the resistance. So we can take a look for Pound kiwi selling. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna put Pound kiwi into my watch list. Alright. Okay, so for Pound dollar over here, let's take a look at Pound dollar. Pound dollar in the bear, retracing up to the bull over here, and now coming to go back into the bear. So the transition is very nicely done up, and we can see that now for the Pound dollar, okay, we are actually in the bear of selling, but it's the beginning. Okay, it's the beginning. So at the moment over here, right? So there may be a chance that this Pound dollar, right? This Pound dollar is actually maybe actually testing level of 125. Okay, so 125 or 55 somewhere here. Okay, so the support over here has no change at the moment. So tentatively, okay, we can see that maybe a good chance that come down. Right, this is my targeted area. So let's see later on if there's a chance for us to continue selling. Alright, so Pound dollar, yes, I'm going to put this Pound dollar into my watch list. Okay, yep. Right, so that's for Pound dollar. Now dollar CAD, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, yesterday dollar CAD has actually dollar CAD it shot down for a while, and after that it shoot up. So over here, this tentatively for now, I see that for dollar CAD, we have very good chance over here to continue selling. Alright, so there may be a selling over into this area here, as we can has tested on the resistance up here, and the support has formed up. Okay, so we have about 43 pips to go, but these will be going against the trend, so you got to be a little bit careful, right? Okay, so dollar CAD, I'm going to put this with a symbol behind, alright, so to symbolize some vigilance needed. Okay, so over here, Well, for dollar franc, I would suggest today to stay away from selling. So, dollar franc, we are although in the bear, all right, although in the bear. I'm sorry to clear the truth in front of the mic. Okay, so dollar franc over here, it looks like is actually in the bear. So today we have a retracement. So the retracement is actually looking out for some resistance before it actually can go on selling, and there's we are pretty near. Okay, we are pretty near. So maybe we can take a look at this as well. But later on, maybe second half of the day. Okay, so for dollar yen, well, dollar yen, right? We are in the bear. We are looking for selling. However, today we are also in the retracement. So this retracement over here, which I see that is not really very fantastic. Until yesterday was climbing, okay, testing on this and keep climbing up. So it's still on the upward thing. It's supposed to be selling, but there's some pressure, okay, that actually squeezing the price in this range. So I guess for dollar yen, we may want to hold on with that, okay, so that later on in the live trading, then we will take a look to see how it goes before we conclude, okay, right? Okay, so yep. Right, so at the moment over here we can see sorry, I have a bad throat today. Okay, so yep, and for the goal, yep, let's come back to the goal here. All right, Gmail user, all right, share your average profitability with us. Well, I have a playlist. Okay, you can actually take a look. Okay, I have a playlist that stands 5 pips trading plan over there. All right, so you can actually take a look there. For me, okay. Well, I would say for myself, I would say humbly, okay, I stand at about 80%. Okay, up to individual to gauge, right? But for me, for myself, okay. Right, so for the goal, well, for the goal, as looking at the goal, generally as the fear of this market is moving towards the recession, and recession is actually brushing our shoulder right now. Okay, so I would say that okay, for current situation, the gold is still on the buy side because I think it's a very good instrument to hedge against recession and tended the inflation at the moment, right? So at this time, buying is still highly possible. Okay, but then again, is that all right? We are always looking out for something before we go back to the general. Right. So what are the things that we are looking out for? We are looking out for buyers. Okay. We are looking out for buyers in the market. So at this point of time, buying is possible. But each session, trading session, we cannot just buy blindly. Just like yesterday, we were just like yesterday, I was talking about buying. Am I right? Okay, so we are buying. But then again, is that I was also saying that I'm looking at 1798. Okay, 1798 over here. Right, so that 1978 over here is a price that actually come back here to top of buyers before it continues to buy. So who knows? It comes in and it breaks through. It went lower. Okay, beyond my expectation. It went to 1785. Well, where my price is actually looking at 1798 from the price of around 1813. Yeah, about 1813. Yeah, where we achieved the 1813 from here, then looking out, and when it comes back to 1830, I'm looking at 7.8. Who knows? It went down lower to 7.5. Okay, so today, as we are looking at 1795 over here, okay, 1785 over here, right? It's like this price is going to escalate up for the price of 1813 again, right? 1813 again, all right. So I guess this is one direction that we look out for buying, but in between, okay, during the live session, we look out for details before we continue buying. All right, okay, yeah. So yes, I think that's all for today. Right. So let's take a look at what do we have over here. So let me share it out with everybody. Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Aussie dollar, euro yen, euro bit, pound CAD, pound franc, pound yen, pound kiwi, pound dollar, and anti-trend of dollar CAD. Okay, right. So yes, guys. So I hope you like this video. Okay, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that later on, in another 1.5 hours, I will be back here. Right, I will be back here live streaming to live trade together with all of you so that we can discuss the trade together and to see what are the good trades to enter together to grab the profit once again together. All right. Okay. So this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.
老师，我想请问一下，就是在外汇交易里面呢，一般呢，你们是怎么做交易的？因为我每次在 YouTube 啊看到你们在做交易的时候呢，我看到那个图表很多线啊，很多那些什么所谓的蜡烛啊，跑上跑下啊，这样我看的有一点乱了，所以我不知道说应该要怎么去看它，那么我才会做得好。而且我在这个外汇市场里面已经看了蛮长的一段时间，不过呢，就是一直没有办法参透它里面的那个内容，它的精髓，所以我一直在想说，想要试试看，你知道吗？但是呢，我又在看的时候呢，我又用了这个模拟账户去做就 OK， 可是呢，我用实盘去做的时候又不 OK 哦。其实我真的不知道应该怎么做好。希望老师呢，你能今天能为我解答一下好不好？这些都是我们这些小白的一个很大的问题呀。OK， OK， 好，你今天所问的这个问题哈 ，OK， 我们这么说吧。其实一般呢，你在看那个图表的时候呢，还没进入学习啊，去看的时候，当然什么都不会，对不对？老实说，就很像当年我学开车的时候啊。手挡啊，轮盘啊，我真的是不懂得怎么去配合起来，你知道吗？那个左脚右脚啊，你知道吗 ？OK，so 在外汇学习的过程里面呢，我们这些课程啊，就是会有教你啊怎么去看。那么呢，你去看这些图表，怎么去把它分出来 ？OK， 我们把整个课程呢都分了很多个阶段，就是把每一个阶段呢。简单化的去理解，这样的话呢，你做起来的时候，其实你真的是容易很多。因为我们这样看的话呢，其实啊，在这个市场里面呢，很多人都是会交易的策略，可是呢，很多时候呢，他们都不知道说什么时候应该用，在什么阶段要用哪一个策略。所以呢，在外汇交易里面呢，我的课程呢里面呢，就是这样的去帮你们小白们呢。从最基本啊，点数计算啊，看图表啊，那么去理解整个外汇市场的交易的策略。那么它的策略，对，策略是策略，那么基本是基本嘛，对不对？那么呢，基础我们一定要会，那么呢，策略我们也要会。懂得策略不代表说你就会交易，可是你一定要懂得怎么运用那个策略。所以在什么阶段运用那个策略，也是一个很重要的一点。所以在这样一个方式里面呢，我们这一看的话就知道说，我们在做这样的一个交易的方式来说，我们就懂得说它是怎么样去运作。策略我懂了，不过呢，在什么时候用也是一个很重要的一点。所以呢，就是在这个课程里面呢，我们就会教你怎么去运用这个策略。好了，那么我有一个汇通汇聊的一个群，好吧？那个汇通汇聊的群里面呢。大家都可以加入，因为这个加入进来的话呢，我就可以教你们怎么去看那个策略，同时啊，那么知道说在什么时候要用那个策略，那么的话呢，你交易起来的时候就会很容易。当然，我会把你当成一个幼稚园的小白，好不好？那么呢，就以很基础的方式呢去教你们，以最简单的方式让你们去理解。好，那么这样的话。你们交易起来的时候啊，就比较容易了。 所以现在的话呢，其实可以加入这个群 ，OK。那么呢，我呢在这个群里面的话呢，是在里面教你们怎么去，带着你们怎么去，看着你们怎么去把这个外汇交易做好来啊，这样的话就比较容易，对不对？OK 啊，所以呢要加入这个群的话呢，这非常简单的 OK， 就只需要联系我们的负责人，那么呢我们的负责人就会帮你处理所有的这个入群的这些 procedure OK 好不好 OK， 那么在外汇交易里面呢，心态也是一个很重要的东西。那么呢，在我们的这个社区里面啊，我们也是会有很多的这个分享给大家，让大家呢都有这个机会啊，去在这个学习的过程里面也懂得什么是心态，好不好 ？OK 啊，这样呀，就是很简单的这样的去理解哈。所以加入这个群啊，然后呢，在这个群里面我们来教你。OK， 好不好？好的，老师，谢谢你，老师，非常感谢你的分享啊！这样的话，我要赶紧去报名啊，我要去赶紧报名加入这个群里面。你刚才说的群是汇通汇聊群吧 ？OK， 那么我就赶紧去这个注册一下，好不好？谢谢老师，谢谢你，老师，非常感谢你，老师。